under the dynamic leadership of Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji, Bharatiya Janata Party and NDA for the third consecutive time, NDA has come to power at the center under the dynamic leadership of Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji. At the same time, Congress Party under the leadership of Rahul Gandhi have failed consecutively for third time to come to power in the country. And for the first time when Rahul Gandhi has taken the responsibility as the leader of opposition, yesterday's maiden speech given by Rahul Gandhi on the floor of the House in the Parliament, he has utilized this floor to insult the Hindus of this country. Rahul Gandhi has utilized this opportunity to insult the Hindus of this country and also has alleged that Hindus are violent and dishonest. In his speech, Rahul Gandhi has not only insulted Hindus, he has labeled the Hindus as violent and dishonest, and has also issued the false statements about the Agniveer, about the farmers of this country, and also on the issue of Ayodhya. Rahul Gandhi, this is not the first time where Rahul Gandhi has spoken on these lines. When Rahul Gandhi was abroad, he utilized that platform by saying that democracy is not working in the country. He has insulted our country also. But this time, being a leader of opposition, he has chosen the platform in the parliament to insult the Hindus across the country. Lok Sabha, the temple of democracy, it cannot be used as a platform to propagate Rahul Gandhi's false propaganda and lies. He is misusing his position as a leader of opposition to incite the people of this country. The behavior of Rahul Gandhi as a leader of opposition is highly condemnable and also it's highly objectionable. Yesterday, Rahul Gandhi has falsely stated in Ayodhya, where Bhavya Rama Mandir has been built, lot of shopkeepers has not been given any money when they were shifted to some other premises. For your kind information, the state government of Uttar Pradesh has clearly stated more than 1,200 crores compensation has been given to the shopkeepers in Ayodhya. At the same time, Rahul Gandhi has also alleged that Agniveers, when their lives has been lost, no compensation has been given by the central government. But when this false propaganda was carried out by Rahul Gandhi himself on the floor of the House, our respected Defence Minister Rajnath Singh ji has clearly clarified, he has clearly stated that ₹1 crore compensation will be given to the Agniveers who will and who has lost their lives. So this kind of misinformation where Rahul Gandhi is trying to spread as a leader of opposition, he has definitely degraded the position of the leader of opposition. It has not only degraded and downgraded the position of the leader of opposition. He has also insulted crores and crores of Hindus in this country. Let me tell you one thing. Rahul Gandhi, holding such a responsible position, can't run away by telling the lies on the floor of the house and outside the house also. He is answerable to the people of this country. Being a leader of opposition is not only answerable to the parliament, he is bound. Being a responsible person, responsible leader of the opposition, he is bound to answer to the people of this country. So I demand the leader of opposition, Rahul Gandhi, to seek immediate apology before the people of this country. So Bharatiya Janata Party, ರಾಹುಲ್ ಗಾಂಧಿ ಅವ್ರನ್ನ ಇವತ್ತು ಆಗ್ರಹವನ್ನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇವೆ. ತತ್ಕ್ಷಣ ತಮ್ಮ ಏನು ಬೇಜವಾಬ್ದಾರಿ ಹೇಳಿಕೆಯನ್ನು ನೀಡಿದ್ದೀರಿ, ದೇಶದ ಜನರ ಕ್ಷಮೆಯನ್ನು ಕೇಳಬೇಕು. ಇನ್ನು ಮುಂದಾದ್ರೂ ಕೂಡ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹುಡುಗಾಟಿಕೆಯನ್ನು ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಜವಾಬ್ದಾರಿ ಸ್ಥಾನದಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಜವಾಬ್ದಾರಿಯಿಂದ ನಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು ಅನ್ನುವ ಆಗ್ರಹವನ್ನು ನಾನು ಇವತ್ತು ಈ ಸಂದರ್ಭದಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇನೆ.